Hey Dekoni fans! Today we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Sennheiser HD700. The stock pads are held in with a clip. To remove them, pull the pad away from the ear cup while gently twisting the pad. Then grab your Dekoni audio ear pad. Our pads include both the clips as well as the mounting ring that you'll need to mount your new pads. First, remove the mounting ring from the back of our pad. Then align it with the inside of the ear cup, ensuring that the smooth side is facing outwards. Press it into place, ensuring that it's flush with the ear cup. Then grab your Dekoni audio ear pad, align it with the ear cup, then firmly press it into place. Then repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni audio earpads.